Hi everyone, this video is a demonstration showing you the new add lots entry method, which is our new update which allows you to upload the lots in a similar fashion than before, but a more streamlined process, and it'll save you a good bit of time in the long run. So I'm just making my way to a new auction now, and I'm going to create a new auction like I regularly would. As far as this page is concerned, nothing's changed. The only thing that's different, and as you'll see as I go through the making of my auction process, is that at the bottom of the page or near the bottom, the upload method selection is gone, and that's actually on the next page. So once you're finished, you click on Save and Add Lots, and this new pop-up will appear. From here, you'll be able to select 3 different upload methods. We have from images, using a CSV file to upload, or manually create your lots directly from the website. So I'll walk you through all 3 different processes now, starting with from images. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to our image uploader tools, which we have 3 you can select from. We have our HTML uploader, our serial uploader, or you can also import from an FTP server. I'm just going to go ahead and use the first one, and then click on the box here to open up my browser or my desktop, and I'm just going to select a few images to upload to my new auction. And once the process is complete and my images are uploaded, I'll be brought to this new page automatically, which is the first step in our creation lot process. So this is a image review phase, or page if you prefer, that will allow you to select as many or as little images as you want and assign them to lots. So since I don't have any new lots already created, I'm going to click on New Lot from the image. And then just from this page, I'm going to go ahead and add my details like I regularly would. And the only new thing on this page is also we have a new lot status. So if you're confident that the information is correct on your lot, you can go ahead and publish this lot immediately once we're finished with this. So that'll mean it'll be already on the item list page, and it won't even be in the review phase. It'll go straight to creation. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on add once I'm done adding my details, after I add my description. But yeah, once you're done creating your lot, just click on add at the bottom left hand side of the page. And the images that we just used to create a new lot are now gone from the create lot page. They're no longer available. So again, you can repeat the process with these images. You can select a couple or just one. And bear in mind that if the image has a blue highlight around it like these 2 do on the left, it means that they're selected. So if they're both selected, it means they'll both go to the new lot if I click on new lot there. So again, I'll make a second lot just to use up the rest of my uploaded images. Hit add. So then, now that I'm done with the images, I'll click on done at the bottom right hand side of the page. So my create lot page pop-up is closed, and now I'm brought to the new manage lots page, which actually divides the lots into 2 different pages, whether they're published or unpublished, which you can see on the left hand side here. So I just clicked on unpublished lots, and we can see both lots that I just created. And then if I click on publish lots again, as you can see, there's no items in this list because I didn't publish those lots directly from creation. If you have many lots, you can use the report at the top of the page to filter through the unpublished lots. Using our advanced search as well, we have a video just on this if you want to have a look at that as well. But if you want to add multiple unpublished lots to the published lots page, you just select the box here on the left hand side, head over to the batch actions, and then from the drop down select publish either the selected or all unpublished lots from this page. Once that's done, you'll see that you have a notification saying that your lot's been published, and that lot that I selected has just been moved to the published lots page right here. So once more, you select the lot using the tick. You head over to the batch actions, you select publish selected lot, click OK, and then your unpublished lot is now published. As you can see now, there's no unpublished lots left on this page. You can also actually move through the pages using this drop down at the top right hand side of the page. You can also see all both unpublished and published lots at the same time if you wish to do so as well. You don't have to see them separate like we do now. But for now, let's go ahead and add more lots. And this time I'm going to use the upload a CSV file entry method. So once I click on that, I'll be brought to this page where I'm able to import my CSV file, which I'll do so by opening up my desktop and clicking on my CSV file. And then once that's added into the system, I'll get a confirmation saying that my lots have been added successfully. Once that's done, click on Upload Images in the bottom right hand side of the page. And from here, from this drop down, you'll be able to select what kind of image file name you'll be using. So either the images will contain the lot number and sequence, or they're just random file names. Have the correct file names, which will be the lot number, the sequence, and then the extension. So for example, I got my images set up here. As you can see, I have my lot number. So lot 1000-1.jpg up to, let's do 1009. And each of these lots have 4 images each. And because I have them sequenced correctly in the file names, they'll actually be correctly ordered once they're uploaded too. If you don't have that system set up, you can just click on the other option, which is random. And then you can actually manually click and drag the images to their new lots, much like we did from the From Images upload method. But now we're looking at my newly uploaded images, and we can see that all the images have been added to each lot correctly, they're in the right order, and they're assigned to the correct lot. If you want to make any changes, you can just select an image by clicking on it and dragging it to another position, which will rearrange them on the lot. You can also remove them. If you have too many images or want to remove one, you can do so as well from this page. You can also select images from one lot and move them to another lot. And you can do so by using the drop down here, which will show you all the list of lots that are a part of the CSV file that I just uploaded. So I can move them to, say, lot 101, or pardon me, 1001. And as you can see here, the 2 images have been moved successfully. But once you're done adding your images and assigning them to the correct lot and reviewing it, in the bottom right corner, click on Make Lots, and you'll be brought to the processing page, which will just be a loading bar showing you that the system is creating the lots with the images. And you'll be getting a confirmation saying that they've been correctly uploaded. Then the pop-up window will close, and you'll be brought back to the Manage Lots page, just like we did the first time around as well. So now, instead of publishing these lots, I'm just going to show you the last entry method, which is manually. So again, I click on Add Lots, I click on Manually, and you'll be brought directly to the new lot page to add in your information for the lot. So starting off with the lot number and title, the status as well. If you want to, again, publish this lot directly, you can do so from this page by clicking on Publish Lots from the drop down. All the info that you need to add your lot is available on this page. And then once you're finished, if you go all the way to the bottom of the page, click on Save and Add Images, and you'll be brought to an uploader again, which will prompt you to select the images from your computer to add to this lot. And so because I'm creating the lot directly from this page, and I'm uploading the images directly to the lot, the file names don't have to be sequential, they don't have to be the correct lot image file. You'll be able to add all the images without any issues, and you can also rearrange them by clicking and dragging like I showed you earlier on. You can also upload documents using the uploader tool right above the images there. Then click on Done to finalize the lot. And now that lot has been added to my Manage Lot page. And now to see all my lots together, both published and unpublished, I'm going to use this little drop down and select all lots. And I want to point out as well here that you can differentiate both the published and unpublished lots by their color. So if a lot has a yellow highlight like you see on these ones here, it means that they're unpublished, and the ones that are clear that don't have the highlight are already published. And now lastly, what I want to do is go back to my unpublished lots page, select all the new lots that I added with the images. So I believe that was the first 9. And then again, using the batch actions, I'm going to click on Publish Selected Unpublished Lots. And now those lots are now published to the auction. I also want to point out as well, the way to get to this Manage Lots page directly from anywhere on the website is make your way to the Edit Auction page, then hover your mouse over Manage Lots at the top of the toolbar there, and then click on Manage Lots. And this is where I just showed you the published, unpublished, and also the way to add lots if you want to add more as well at the top of the page. And now to round this all off, I'm just going to go ahead and check out my auction by clicking on the preview button and checking out my bid gallery. So All my lots are there, they all look correct, and all the images are there. Great, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you found this video useful, and we sincerely hope that you can save a lot of time and really streamline the whole entry process using this new upload method. Thanks very much for watching.